for the win!
Wasn't what's his name? Chloe, no, not Chloe. Courtney Kardashian boyfriend was on like the Hills or something.
What's that?
That MTV show.
Oh, maybe. Was he? What's he doing now? Is that the one that always gets cheated on?
Not Courtney. Nah, Courtney's the good one. You're talking about Chloe.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she's the one that gets done in, unfortunately.
God damn. Hmm. Okay, let's see. This stores the item's position or positions in a variable. Okay, item position. Put the X and Y coordinates of the item into variables. Okay. Now use to move the item. Am I moving the item or the hero? What are we doing? Is that a thing? Oh. Oh, don't kill me.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Am I not going fast enough? What does she have on? While true, we're finding the nearest item. So are we not moving fast enough? This camel case is killing me. Are we moving to that? Probably not. Nope. 2 arguments. Ah, don't kill me. Don't kill me. I'm just a little girl.
Oh my mind. I can't get my mind off of this.
Off of what?
Just getting the stuff together, man.
For this,
I gotta make sure my stuff on point.
Well, why wouldn't it be? You just grilling.
Well, I'm talking about seasoning.
Hmm.
No, I ain't gonna do nothing new. Stick with what I know.
I mean, you're still gonna do the salmon?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I'm just gonna I'm gonna do the wood plank and just season it. Salt, pepper, uh, olive oil, paprika, um, and a little garlic powder. Then while it's cooking, brush it with some butter, um, some more paprika for color, lemon juice, and parsley.
Mm. I feel like I just did that.
Even though you said it's a bad idea.
I mean, you could move item. That's what I did though.
Oh snap!
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, I had move X, Y to item X and item Y, and it was saying I ran out of time. So I'm wondering if I need to change my items. What's up, tea cakes? On my person.
For the win!
Let me see. Might have to change my boots.
CodeCombat.
What's up, Simba?
Let's change
These
the
dudes
boots.
are
There we
some
go.
fools.
Can you ask for help on your Python project? Hey, what's up, Memories Data Dota?